Less than 2 decades ago, the remote island was facing an environmental catastrophe caused by an explosion in rats and mice.
Thousands of rats, a relentless, gnawing tide, were sweeping across a small island, pushing its penguin inhabitants toward oblivion. Then came Google AI, a technological savior, designed to clear the invaders and restore balance.
So all the vegetation, which then had impacts on wildlife through degradation of habitat.
The mission was a bold one, deploying advanced systems to precisely locate and eliminate the rodent menace. Initial reports were glorious. The AI worked, and the rat population dropped dramatically. But the tale quickly turned dark. The most shocking fact is, the removal of one threat unintentionally opened the door to a truly unexpected and deeply disturbing horror that changed the island forever. A tiny world in trouble. About 200 years ago, ships began to sail closer to these remote waters. And with ships came stowaways, rats. Not just a few, but enough to quickly establish a foothold. At first, their numbers were small, just a few dozen perhaps. The island's delicate ecosystem, built over ages without such predators, had no defense. These weren't your average city rats. These were cunning, adaptable, and incredibly fast reproducers. What many overlooked is just how quickly a population of invasive species can explode when there are no natural enemies and an abundance of easy food sources. The island was a buffet. Over time, these initial handful of rats turned into hundreds, then thousands, then tens of thousands. The scale of the problem was truly mind-boggling. Scientists estimated there were at least 400,000 rats, possibly even 500,000, scuttling across every square foot of that island. To put it mildly, it was an infestation of epic proportions. Imagine a creature that weighs less than 1 pound, but whose collective hunger could strip an entire landscape bare. These weren't just eating the penguins' food. They were a direct and constant threat to the penguin chicks and their eggs. The ground nests, often just shallow scrapes in the dirt, offered little protection. Young chicks, no bigger than a softball, were helpless against a hungry adult rat. The penguins, the true inhabitants, started to struggle greatly. Their numbers began to fall at an alarming rate. Experts watched in horror as areas that once swarmed with thousands of nesting pairs became quiet, empty patches of dirt and rock. The island, once a vibrant chorus of penguin calls, was slowly falling silent, piece by agonizing piece. It wasn't just the penguins either. Other native birds, smaller seabirds, and unique insects that had evolved on this isolated land were also being pushed to the brink. The whole delicate balance was unraveling, all because of an enemy that started as just a few tiny specks on a passing boat. Many people were crazy about finding a solution. Traditional methods like placing bait stations by hand were simply not enough. The island was too vast, the rat population too spread out, and their reproductive cycle too quick. It was like trying to empty a swimming pool with a teacup while a fire hose was filling it up. The situation grew more and more urgent, a genuine natural crisis. It became clear that something truly radical, something entirely new, was needed to turn the tide. The old ways were failing, and the stakes were nothing less than the complete disappearance of a unique animal paradise. This is where the story takes a fascinating and ultimately terrifying turn. The call went out for innovative ideas, for technology that could tackle a problem of this enormous scale. That's when the brilliant minds at Google, known for their powerful artificial intelligence, stepped forward. They proposed a daring plan. Use their advanced AI systems to find, track, and clear the island of its unwelcome rodent residents. It was a massive undertaking, a blend of cutting-edge tech and raw, untamed nature. The promise was alluring, a completely rat-free island, a safe haven for the struggling penguins once more. But sometimes, even the most amazing solutions carry hidden dangers. What nobody truly understood at the time was the intricate web of life on that island, and how removing just one thread could unravel everything. Precision and power. The Google AI team arrived on the island, not with traps, but with an army of advanced technology. Their strategy wasn't about simply scattering poison. It was a highly sophisticated, data-driven operation. They deployed thousands of small, smart sensors across the island's many miles of rocky terrain. These sensors, some no bigger than a quarter, were designed to detect the unique heat signatures and movements of rats. Coupled with high-resolution drones, which mapped every cave and crevice from above, the AI began to build a real-time, three-dimensional picture of the entire rat population. This was an unprecedented level of detail, a true marvel of modern engineering. The AI system, affectionately called Rataway by its creators, was more than just a data collector. It was a learning machine. As it gathered information, it started to predict rat movements, identify their main pathways, and even understand their feeding habits. This allowed for an incredibly precise and efficient deployment of non-toxic bait. Instead of widespread scattering, which could harm other creatures, Rataway directed small, specialized delivery units, think tiny, automated vehicles, to place bait only where rats were most likely to find it. The goal was surgical removal, not a messy, broad-stroke approach. The initial results were astounding. Within weeks, the rat population numbers began to plummet. Tens of thousands of rats were quickly and humanely removed from the ecosystem. The engineers were thrilled. The data coming back was clear. Rataway was a resounding success. This was a wow factor moment for sure, showing how AI could solve environmental crises that seemed impossible before. Imagine, a problem that had plagued the island for 2 centuries, now being solved in a matter of months. News spread fast, and many conservation groups around the world watched with keen interest. The island was slowly becoming a laboratory, a proving ground for the future of ecological restoration using artificial intelligence. The penguins, still reeling from generations of rat troubles, showed early signs of recovery. More chicks seemed to survive their first few weeks. The adult birds appeared less stressed, their foraging trips seemingly safer. It felt like a true miracle unfolding. The island ecosystem was breathing a sigh of relief. The researchers, initially concerned about the sheer number of rats, found their worries turning into hope. It looked like humans, with their ingenuity and advanced tools, had finally offered a true solution to a problem they had unintentionally created. But the scientists also noticed something curious. As the rat numbers dropped, other animal populations didn't instantly bounce back as expected. There was a delay, a strange quietness in certain parts of the island that once held diverse life. The AI, focused intensely on its single mission, saw only the problem it was designed to fix. It didn't understand the broader connections, the unseen threads that tied the entire island together. What many overlooked is that every living thing, even an invasive pest, plays a role, however destructive, in an established environment. The triumph of technology was absolute. The island was declared virtually rat-free after several intense months. A celebration was planned, articles were written, and the Google AI team was praised globally. They had saved the penguins, or so everyone believed. But the full story, the true cost of this technological victory, was yet to unfurl its darker chapters. The true horror was silently preparing to show itself, a consequence so unexpected, so deeply unsettling, that it challenged everything people thought they knew about fixing nature. The island might have been free of its thousands of rats, but it was far from free of trouble. The ecological backlash. With the rats gone, a sense of quiet settled over the island. It was an eerie quiet, to be honest. You see, the absence of one creature, even a pest, leaves a void that nature rarely allows to stay empty for long. The AI had done its job perfectly, removing close to 500,000 rats, leaving the island seemingly pristine. But this perfection was actually the beginning of a whole new set of troubles. The thing nobody tells you is that every element in an ecosystem, no matter how small or how unwelcome, influences countless others in ways we often don't grasp until it's too late. One of the first startling changes was the explosion of an insect population. With no rats to eat their eggs, their larvae, or the insects themselves, species like beetles and crickets began to multiply at an unbelievable rate. The ground, once a bustling mosaic of life, now seemed blanketed in these tiny creatures. At first, it seemed harmless, just another sign of nature bouncing back. But soon, these insects began to consume the native plant life with a ferocity that was alarming. Certain plants, unique to this island and a vital part of the food chain for other native birds, started to disappear. It was a slow, creeping devastation, a silent green turning to brown. Then came the birds. Not the penguins, who were still slowly recovering, but a type of aggressive gull, larger and more robust than the native seabirds. These gulls had always been around, but in smaller numbers, held in check by the overall balance. With the rats gone, the gulls lost a food competitor. More importantly, the sudden surge in ground-nesting insects and the struggling native bird populations created a new, easier food source. The gulls, opportunistic hunters, quickly adapted. Their numbers swelled, and their behavior became more predatory. They started to target the very penguin chicks that Radaway was supposed to protect. It was a devastating twist of fate. The artificial intelligence had removed one threat, only to pave the way for another, far more visible and direct. The gulls, now numbering in the tens of thousands, would swoop down on the nests, snatching chicks right from under the watchful eyes of their parents. The penguins, not evolved to defend against such aerial assaults from a large, organized predator, were helpless. The horror of witnessing these attacks was immense, a tragic irony after all the effort to save them. The most shocking fact is that a solution intended to bring life brought a new form of struggle. The scientific teams on the ground were baffled, then alarmed. Their data models, however advanced, hadn't predicted this. The AI had no way to account for these subtle cascading effects. Its programming was simple: eliminate rats. It didn't have the context or the flexibility to understand the complex interactions of a truly wild place. The sheer volume of gulls, now weighing in at an average of 2.5 pounds each, created an unbalancing force. The island's unique biology, which had taken millennia to form, was unraveling at an alarming pace due to a rapid shift of just one element. This wasn't just a simple case of replacing one problem with another. This was an example of how even well-meaning technological interventions, without a deep, nuanced understanding of an entire ecosystem, can lead to unforeseen and dreadful outcomes. The grand success of removing the rats felt hollow, replaced by the grim reality of a new, growing terror for the island's beloved penguins. The dream of a restored paradise was turning into a nightmare. What would be the next unexpected horror unleashed upon this fragile land? The island's crying out. The ecological impact continued to spread like ripples in a pond. With the gull population exploding and preying on penguin chicks and other ground-nesting birds, the delicate food web of the island began to buckle under the strain. You see, when one species suffers a major downturn, it affects everything else connected to it. The native plant life, already stressed by the sudden surge in insects, now faced a new challenge as the aggressive gulls disturbed nesting sites and foraging areas. It was a vicious cycle, each problem feeding the next, spiraling into a broader collapse. The scientists, initially celebrating, found themselves scrambling. Many people were crazy about understanding where they went wrong. The problem wasn't just the gulls, it was the entire system being thrown out of whack. The rapid removal of hundreds of thousands of rats had been too fast, too complete. Nature doesn't deal in sudden, sweeping changes without repercussions. Think of it like a perfectly balanced Jenga tower. Pull out one block too quickly, and the whole thing comes tumbling down. The island's diverse lizard population, which once fed on a mix of insects and smaller rat pups, now had a vastly changed diet, further impacting insect numbers. Desperate measures were needed. The Google AI team, along with conservationists, had to shift gears entirely. Now the challenge wasn't just rats, it was managing an out-of-control gull population, which presented its own complex ethical and practical problems. It's one thing to remove an invasive species that shouldn't be there. It's another to deal with a native species that has become a problem due to unforeseen circumstances. The thing nobody tells you is that when you play God with an ecosystem, even with the best intentions, the consequences can be incredibly tricky to reverse. They tried various methods to deter the gulls, from loud noisemakers that sounded like predators to deploying non-lethal drones that would gently herd them away from penguin colonies. These were costly, time-consuming efforts, and far less efficient than the initial rat removal. The island, once seen as a triumph of AI, was now becoming a cautionary tale, a stark reminder of the immense complexity of natural systems. The initial cost of the AI deployment was in the millions of dollars, but the ongoing effort to fix the unintended damage was quickly surpassing that. The most shocking fact is that their success created a bigger, tougher beast to tame. The tale of the penguin island reveals nature's complex dance and technology's sharp edge. Does this mean some problems are best left alone? Share your thoughts below, like this video, and subscribe for more amazing stories.